In today's video, I am going to compare MaxiMise.ai with the HyperReach.ai. Both can analyze and identify your unknown and the anonymous visitors and turn them into the leads or the customers. So both of the lifetime deals available on the app Sumo, starting from the same $59 one-time payment of the pricing. And I have already created a detailed review video with the features demo in my YouTube channel. This is for the HyperReach, this is for the MaxiMise. So if you want a detailed video, you can check it out, both of these tools. So without wasting any more time, this is the Basant here from the SaaS Guru, and let's get started the comparison. So first I am going to compare and give you the overview for the both of the tools. I am going to make this video as short and as quick as possible so you can instantly get to know which tool is the best for you. So right now let's get started with the MaxiMise.ai. Once you got its lifetime deal, by the way, both of the deals link will be given in the description, and both of the deals also comes with the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you made the mistake, just return it within the 60 days and your money 100% will be the refund. So this is the MaxiMise.ai and this is the dashboard. First you need to connect the platform with your website so it can start capturing the audience or the visitors from your website. So here you can see on the MaxiMise.ai, you can check it out, install a script on the bottom of the corner. Okay, so let's click it here. This is the code. You have to go to your website, go to your header part of the website, and there you have to paste the code. Okay, I have connected that. Let's get back to here, and now let me click here on the verify script on the website. If script is available, it will be the auto close. Yes, you have successfully activated the script. So that is how much simple to connect your website with the MaxiMise.ai. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the visitors section, and here you can check it out if you have the visitors and it is start tracking them out. So you can enable this one, so anonymous visitors, so it will tell you about those anonymous visitors detail starting appearing here. Okay, so right now I have just connected, that's why it's pretty much empty, but once you start getting the traction here, you can check it them about those visitors inside here. Then this is the engage section where you can create your chatbot widget and start engaging with the visitors help of chatbot here, that is you have built with the AI. So creating that really simple, easy. Just go to the setup. Here you have to add your website name, and now after that it is going to analyze your website, give you the all the selling proofs, points, all those stuff, and you are ready, good to go. Now let me go to my website section and show you this chatbot is enable or not. So I have just refreshed my page here, and you can see this is the chatbot. Okay, and now you can see everything, these features is available, and you can check it out and you will be amazed because this is the AI that is going to be work or chat with the people, and you can see it is straight asking me as the visitor's email address. So once I got or enter this email address here, it will get to up here, and if I go to the this engage section again, go to the inbox, here I can check it out the visitors information. Okay, and now what I can do, I got the email address from the visitors. I can go to the integration section. Here I can connect with the instantly or the smart leads. These are the cold outreaching platforms, and I can add these emails automatically here on both of the platform and start sending out the cold emails. So this is how the MaxiMise.ai work. It has the two core features available. First, start engaging with the chatbot, getting the visitors information for contacting, and after them integrating with the cold outreaching platform and start outreaching the audience. So that's how it's pretty much work. Plus you can also connect the Slack platform. It is also really easy, and whenever a new visitor information or the contact details come to your integration or the automation, it will going to notify you. So this is the MaxiMise.ai. Now let me compare and give you the overview for the HyperReach. So this is the HyperReach website, and here you have to create the script. A little bit tricky part it is, because first you have to create the ICP. So what is the ICP? This is the ideal customer profile. Here you have to give the ICP name. For example, I will name it the list one, but you can also name it whatever the like. Let me close this one, whatever you like here. Okay, then you have to add the job title. What is your visitors job title, or what are the job title people you want to target. Country you have to add, you have to employ, you have to industry, companies, all those stuff you have to add there. And after that your ICP will be created, and this is how your ICP will look like. First of all, these are the 3 demo ICPs I have created. So let me select any of these one. Okay, I have selected this one, and here I will get the script. Without creating the ICP you cannot get the script. So let me get the script here, and again this is the script I have already created. Let me show you. This is the script, and again you have to go to your website header part, and there you have to paste the script, and now you will be connected with the HyperReach. Okay, so it is a little bit tricky part, but I have showed you the step. Now next step, what you have to do, you have to go to the organization builder. Here you have to add your company name as the organization, and add there's few details like the services and the value proposition. This will help you to understand this AI, what are the services and products you want to outreach with the audience. Okay, so once your organization also is done, let's go to the campaign, and here you have to draft or create your first campaign. So also that is really easy. Let me open this one. Here it will ask you the few things like, first of all, your sequence of the emails. This sequence of the email will be sent after 1 day whenever a people or the visitors information added in the outreaching system. Then you can add the more step like this step, and this mail will be sent second day. Here you can add the subject, title. Here you can add your email copy, and once everything is done you can save and go to the schedule, and here you can schedule whenever you want to start your campaign. That's all. Okay, now one more thing. Here you don't have to connect with the third party like the in the MaxiMise.ai we have to connect the instantly or the smartly to sending the cold emails, but in the HyperReach you don't have to connect, because the HyperReach itself offering the direct outreaching system. You have to go to the accounts, and here you have to connect your account. Okay, so let me connect here, and you can see you got the 2 options to connect your email account from which you want to outreach visitors. Okay, the first way is really easy, the Google G Suite way. You have to simply sign it with your that Gmail account or domain account you want to use for the outreaching, or you can use SMTP way. Okay, so both are really easy. Now let's back to here, and then the next feature is the personalized mail. Here this feature is really good. Here suppose you have the already a list of people's emails, so what you can do, go to the personalized list. Here just add, select your organization, upload the CSV file of those contact list, and then it is going to create the personalized emails according to those lists, people name and the company information. That is the good part what I liked here. Then if you have the individual profile of that person, you can also create the individual personalized email and the outreach system. Best part, you have to just paste that LinkedIn URL here and click here on the compose mail. It will create the personalized mail. Okay, now let's go to the integration. So one of the great part I liked here in the HyperReach, you can just get it's a Google or the browser Chrome extension, and just go to the LinkedIn part here. Okay, let me go to the LinkedIn, and then after that what you have to do, you have to just open a LinkedIn profile. Okay, let me go to the my profile so I can show you demo for that Chrome extension. This is the Chrome extension I have installed here. This is by HyperReach, and connecting is really easy. You have to just get the API key here, and after that you can just paste the API key and you are done connected with the Chrome or the browser extension. Suppose this is my profile here. Okay, and now here's something, the browser extension should be the appear. Okay, it is not appearing. Let me open someone else profile, start appearing. So you can see this is the small shortcut. You can see this is HyperReach browser extension, and if I click here on the start mail, you can see I got this person's headline. I can just get the about, and after that I can add it one of my campaigns, and then I can identify these visitors as my this organization ideal customer, then confirm, and now you can see I can just instantly create schedule a meeting message or connectivity or the engage. I will go with the engage. If I click here on the confirm and the continue, I will get the personalized tone message that I can mail to this person, or I can just simply add this person into my campaign here. Let me go to the campaigns. If I go to this test lead, you can see there are some person I have added. This is the same way I have done with its Chrome extension for the LinkedIn. Okay, so that's how HyperReach Chrome or whatever the browser extension you are using and below are the extra some apps you can integrate. Okay, so these are all the features of the HyperReach. Now let me get started with the comparison and show you what are the differences in the both platform. So this is the MaxiMise.ai, and first I am going to compare the UI and the ease of use. So you have seen that MaxiMise.ai is a lot easier, a lot easy to understand. Connectivity with the website is also really easy, and you can see comparing with the HyperReach. In the HyperReach, the connectivity or the integration with the website a little bit complicated, campaign creation a little bit complicated, but once you get to know all of its features, HyperReach is more better, a little bit complicated but better here. Okay, so in terms of the ease of use or the user interface, I think in this comparison MaxiMise.ai is better here, but in the functionality I got to know that HyperReach.ai has the more functions available. First of all, you will get to ideal people, that is your customers, and then you can see in the campaign section you can create the multiple campaign sections, and here you can add the multiple people straight from your website visitors out of also in from your LinkedIn. So in the both their options you are getting the people you can outreach within the same platform. Here you don't have to connect or with the instantly or the smartly like we have in the MaxiMise. To outreaching for with the cold emails, we have to connect here in the MaxiMise with the instantly smart leads or the other extra third-party integration. But here in the HyperReach we have the dedicated built-in outreaching system available. We have to simply connect our email accounts. By the way, connecting accounts is really easy. You in the single click you can connect with your domain email accounts and start outreaching them. Okay, so in terms of the functionality, HyperReach is winning here. Now let's go to the integration. So in the integrations in the HyperReach you have lot of options available. First of all, you have the Google Sheet to directly export your leads information into a sheet so you can easily monitor and organize them. You can connect with MailChimp, you can connect with the CRM, you can connect with the Salesforce and Fox. A lot of the cool integrations available here in the HyperReach. But in the MaxiMise, first of all, you have to connect with the third party cold outreaching platform, and to connecting with them, you have the already pricing subscription model available. So not only you are paying for the MaxiMise, but you are also paying for the outreaching people with the third party integrations here. Okay, then some of the integration is right now not available, like Apollo is not available, HubSpot or Zapier is not available, and it is not clear when this integration is going to be the working live here. But in the HyperReach, all the integrations that you can check it out is actively working. So again, in the integration comparison, HyperReach is winning. Now the next and the main core comparison that the most people will impact here is the pricing. If I go to the MaxiMise lifetime deal, it is starting from the $59, and here on the Gozen lifetime pricing is also the $59. So it making up people a lot confusion which platform is actually the better for them. So let me tell you, based on my comparison and the stats, I found HyperReach is the more better. It is a little bit complicated in the ease of use and the user interface, but the values, the features, the functionalities we are getting is a lot superior and the high numbers compared with the MaxiMise. That's why I am saying in the same pricing here, the Gozen HyperReach is giving the more value. So if I go to the plans and features, you can see it has the around till 5 tier plans available, and with the higher tier plans you will get the higher limits in the contacts, connecting email accounts, campaigns per month, all this stuff. So based on your objective and the requirements, you can select any of the tier plan here. But if I go to the MaxiMise.ai, in the same pricing, if I scroll down below, you can see it is also offering the same model. With the higher plan you will get the higher credits, but the value and the features and the functionalities we are getting higher in the Gozen. That's why I highly suggest go with the winner here, that is the HyperReach.ai. So if you want to check it out, the lifetime deal, the link will be given in the description. Plus it also comes with the 60 days money back guarantee. Somehow if you are not happy, just return it and your 100% money will be back. Now let me tell you one more thing. I haven't showed you how it is going to show you the people that it is identified from your visitors. Okay, so let me show you. So if I go to the ICP to people, go to the here on the site visitors. Okay, and you can check it out. These are the two visitors it has unlocked. First the Google crawler, and second one this person. So you can see out of unknown and the anonymous visitors, I got this visitors website, I got the organization, I got the LinkedIn profile. Okay, and now simply I can add this profile into my campaign and start outreaching. Okay, so that's how HyperReach.ai work. And let me tell you one more thing, both of these tools don't work on the 100% of the visitors. This is only working for the people that have the website available, that have the company available, that have the LinkedIn profile available. Okay, so both platform only track and identify the people that have the some background with the any organization, any information which you can use for the outreaching them. Okay, because that is how these tools work. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this comparison. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe this channel to stay updated with the same kind of the SaaS tools reviews, comparisons and updates. Bye bye, take care, and I will see you in the next one.